Oh no! Why is there so much white smoke?
Hello there. Do you need some help with your car?
Yes, please. I am Emma, and my car just stopped.
I am Tom. I have a garage just around the corner.
It is my first big trip, and I am very scared.
Don't be afraid. Most car problems are very simple.
Is the engine on fire? It smells very strange.
No fire. It is just steam because the engine is hot.
Can you fix it today? I need to go home.
Let's push the car to my garage first, Emma.
I'm strong. I can help you push it.
That's the spirit. Put your hands here.
1, 2, 3. It is moving. It is very heavy.
Great job. Now we are inside the shade.
Your garage is very big and has many tools.
Tools are my best friends. They help me work.
Why is there a big yellow machine over there?
That is a lift. It picks up cars like toys.
Can we lift my car? I want to see underneath.
Maybe later. First, let's open the hood and look.
It is very hot. Should I wait a minute?
Yes, use this cloth to protect your fingers.
Wow, there are so many wires.
Every wire has a job. It's like a body.
I want to learn. Please teach me everything, Tom.
Look here, Emma. This is the radiator.
It looks like a metal box. Is it important?
Very important. It keeps the engine cool and happy.
Is there water inside? It looks very dry.
Exactly. Your car is very thirsty. It needs liquid.
Can I use water from my drinking bottle?
No, we need special coolant. It is bright green.
It looks like magic juice.
It is magic for the engine. Look at the level.
It is full now. Is that why it was smoking?
Yes, without liquid, the engine gets a fever.
My car had a fever? That is funny.
Now, let's check the oil. Pull this long stick.
It is very black and sticky.
That means the oil is old. We must change it.
Is old oil bad for the car, like old food?
Yes, old oil makes the engine move very slowly.
Can I do it? I want to get my hands dirty.
Put on these gloves. Hold this new golden oil.
It is very clear and pretty.
Now the heart of the car is clean and fast.
I feel like a real mechanic now, Tom.
You are doing great. You are very focused.
What is that big black circle near the battery?
That is the air filter. It helps the car breathe. Oh, wait. Look at your back right wheel.
Oh no, it is flat. It looks like a pancake.
Did you hit a rock or a sharp nail?
I don't know. I was listening to loud music.
Music is good, but listen to the road too.
Do I need to call a tow truck for this?
No, you have a spare tire in your trunk.
Opening the trunk. Here it is, but it is very heavy.
I will help you. First, we use the jack.
The jack? Is that the small metal thing?
Yes, it goes under the car to lift it up.
The car is going up. Amazing!
Now, take the wrench. Turn the bolts to the left.
They are very tight. I need more power.
Use your leg. Stand on the wrench and jump.
It worked! The bolt is moving now.
Take off the flat tire, put the new one on.
It's like a puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts.
Tighten them in a star pattern. 1, then 3.
Why a star? Why not in a circle, Tom?
A star pattern makes the wheel straight and safe.
I finished! The car is back on the ground now.
You are a natural. Most people are too afraid to try.
It is not scary when someone explains it simply.
Education is the best tool in the garage, Emma.
Can we check the lights now? It is getting dark.
Good idea. Go inside and turn the key.
The dashboard is glowing.
Now turn the switch for the headlights.
Are they working? I can see the wall is white.
The left one is bright. The right one is dark.
Is the bulb broken?
Can we fix a light bulb?
Yes, it is like a light bulb in your house.
You just click it and it's out?
Here's a new one. Don't touch the glass with fingers.
Why? Are my fingers too dirty for the glass?
Finger oil makes the bulb get too hot and break.
I didn't know that. Every detail is important.
Okay, try the switch again.
Wow, both lights are very bright now.
Now try the turn signals, left and right.
Tick, tick, tick. They are blinking perfectly.
What about the horn? Give it a little beep.
It is very loud. Everyone can hear me.
Now you're ready for the night road.
I feel much more confident now, Tom.
You know your car now. You're not a stranger to it.
I think my car is my new best friend.
Treat your car well and it will take you far.
I will check the oil every week from now on.
Wait, Emma, I have a small gift for your trip.
A gift? But you already helped me so much.
It is a small orange box. It is an emergency kit.
What is inside? Is there a map and some candy?
No candy. There is a flashlight and the vest.
Oh, a bright yellow vest. I can look like a worker.
It is for safety. If you stop at night, wear it.
And what are these long red and black cables?
Those are jumper cables. They help a dead battery.
I hope I never need to use them, Tom.
I hope so too, but it is better to have them.
You are a very kind man. How much do I owe you?
Just $20 for the oil and the coolant.
Only 20? But your time and lessons are worth more.
The lesson was free. I like to help young travelers.
Thank you. You are a hero.
I am just a mechanic. The car is the real hero.
I'm putting the orange box in the trunk now.
Good. Keep it near the spare tire.
I am ready to start the engine. Are you ready, Ruby?
Ruby? Did you name your car Ruby?
Yes, because she is small, red, and precious.
Safe travels, Emma. Drive slowly.
I will. I will listen to the road and the engine.
Goodbye. Don't forget to check the tires. Before you go, let's do a final safety check, Emma.
Okay. I have my seatbelt on and my mirrors are ready.
Good. Check your dashboard for any red or yellow lights.
Everything looks clean. There are no warning symbols now.
Look at your fuel gauge. Do you have enough petrol?
It is half full. I will stop at the next station.
Remember, check your tire pressure every 2 weeks.
Should I check it when the tires are hot or cold?
Always check when they are cold for the best results.
Check cold tires every 2 weeks. Got it.
And listen to the brakes. They should be quiet and smooth.
If they make a loud squeaking sound, what does it mean?
It means the brake pads are thin and you need new ones.
I am learning that a car always talks to the driver.
Yes, and a good driver always listens to the car.
Learning car basics helps you stay safe on the road. It also helps you save money because you fix small problems early. Repeat after me. I must check the oil and the tires. Well done. Now say, my car is in good condition.
Always keep an emergency kit in your trunk. Practice saying, I have a flashlight and jumper cables.
Thank you for the toolbox, Tom. It is under my seat.
Use the small wrench if a battery cable becomes loose.
I feel like a pilot preparing for a big flight now.
You are the pilot of Ruby. Drive with focus and care.
She sounds very strong and healthy today.
That is the sound of a happy engine. Have a great trip.
I am ready for the mountains. See you later, Tom.
Goodbye, Emma. Stay safe and enjoy the beautiful view.
I'm going. Goodbye, everyone.